Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit France orange filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some examples photo before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light, bring the exposure plus 1.03. Contrast minus 72. Bring the highlights plus 31. Shadows minus 40. Bring the whites minus 9. Blacks minus 19. Go to curve and follow the settings. After that, go to color. Bring the temp plus 8. Vibrance plus 82. Saturation plus 17. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the hue plus 4. Saturation plus 23. Luminance plus 20. Next go to orange. Bring the hue minus 41. Saturation minus 16. Luminance plus 10. Next go to yellow. Bring the hue minus 1. Saturation minus 100. Luminance plus 23. Next go to green. Bring the hue plus 2. Saturation minus 100. Luminance plus 24. Next go to blue. Bring the saturation minus 100. Luminance minus 20. Next go to purple. Bring saturation minus 100. Luminance minus 28. Next go to pink. Bring the hue minus 29. Saturation minus 100. Luminance minus 7. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity minus 18. Degrees plus 3. Go to split tone, bring the hue to 0, and saturation plus 12, for shadows. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening plus 18. Color noise reduction plus 22. Detail plus 34. And done.
Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.